is just in case.
John's first steps.
I put this on in case, like my last patient, they're gonna go to sleep on me. That way I can pull them around when I want to. Okay, so what you're gonna do when you're getting up, no matter what you're getting up and down from, the way you set up is exactly the same, whether you're doing it from a bed, chair, toilet, like that, car, recliner, couch, love seat, whatever it is, same thing. Once your feet are flat on the floor, keep your good leg under you, and the surgery foot, bring it forward a little bit. It makes this do a little more of the work, just to not overdo that one, okay? And then when you're getting ready to get up, you're allowed one hand on the walker, because if you have both of you slip, it might do.
Oh, okay.
One hand here, and what I have someone who's helping you do is just keep a foot here or here, just in case. The other hand pushes off the bed. And when you're ready, we're going to stand up. He's got you on video, so make sure you smile.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
You okay?
Yeah, wait.
If you need to sit, you can sit.
Yeah, wait a minute. Wait, this.
Have a seat for a second.
Yeah.
Was it dizziness or just hard?
No, it was kind of like when I started to lean forward, I wanted to keep going.
Gotcha. Okay. That's why I have the belt on you. So I won't let you keep going.
Good man.
See?
All right.
One more time.
Okay, fighter.
You're looking bad on video over here. You gotta look better.
I'm trying.
Come on, John.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Don't disappoint the audience.
Do it. Do it. Whoa.
Okay.
I'll have you back out there playing linebacker in no time.
Up nice and tall. We're just gonna stand here for a minute or two.
Yeah, let me get my bearings.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's standing on it. That's pretty good.
When you get home, the first couple of days, because you still have all this medicine and stuff in you, when you're moving around and changing position, always stop in between. If you're laying down and sit, don't stand right away. Like you said, get your bearings.
Right.
If you sitting down, you stand, don't walk right away.
Right.
Just to make sure everything's okay.
This is an instructional video.
It is.
Okay.
I'm more tense than anything else.
That's pretty normal.
Yeah.
Because even though you have a new knee in there, your brain doesn't know that. Smile for the camera. He's got you on camera the whole time. You can give him the finger if you want. It's okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
He does that all the time. So.
Okay.
So dizziness-wise,
Yeah. Well, as you see, I almost.
I know that's why I got you.
Yeah.
How about pain when you stood up?
None.
Just loopy a little bit.
Yeah, I'm just.
Okay.
I'm loaded.
Does it feel like it's getting worse when you're up?
I'm gonna say no,
No. Okay.
but I don't feel like I should walk right now.
Neither do I, so we're on the same page.
Yeah.
But what we can do is test the leg a little bit.
Okay, let's do that.
So we're gonna wiggle the legs a little further apart, if you can.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Yeah, I see what you mean, because it's like
There you go.
it's still kind of numb too. Okay.
So we're gonna test the new knee. So watch what I do. You're not gonna lift your feet. You're gonna shift weight from the good leg to the surgery leg, keeping weight on your hands too, though.
Yeah.
Just rock back and forth. And let me know if that causes any more dizziness or anything like that, or pain.
No, actually, it feels good.
That's good. It's getting your butt now, I think.
There's a rear view.
Rear view, he's calling it. You can flash him if you want.
No, don't flash me, please.
Yeah, no.
Please.
Maybe later.
That's something I don't need to see.
I let go in this time where I'll lean forward.
How do you feel?
Yeah, other than like I said, the equilibrium's kind of off.
Yeah.
Oh, I did it that time though.
All right. So do you feel comfortable with trying the next thing, what I'm going to say? Remember how he shifted back and forth? If you keep weight in your hands, do you feel comfortable lightly lifting the feet on one side than the other?
There you go.
That's actually pretty good there.
Pretty good.
It's kind of like.
It's weird.
Yeah, it is, but it's like my right leg wants to give out from under me.
That's the spinal in there. All right, we'll stop right there. Take a few deep breaths for me. Did that cause any extra dizziness? No.
I'm just gonna be dizzy, I think.
Yeah. How do you feel about trying to take little side steps to the edge of the bed? Not really walking away from it.
You mean going that way?
Yeah, going to the left.
Yeah, let's try
So
it.
you move the walker towards me. And then side step a little bit. Just small steps is fine.
Yeah.
Doesn't have to be big. Just to get your body to kind of get used to what's going on.
Oh, you've got this. Be a man, John, okay? You can do it.
Yeah. Silver and black, baby. Silver and black.
Oh no, I'm green and white.
Actually, I'm, what is it? Red and gold.
Red and gold.
Al
All three of these teams stink.
Yeah, Al Davis is in my head right now.
What's Al Davis saying?
Just win, baby. Just win. Just
Figured that's what he
win.
was saying. Hope he's not watching them now because
Okay, right there. That's good. Alright.
It's pretty good, John. You're doing good.
See?
any increased dizziness or
Well, it's like,
yeah, wobbly.
yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna go and step away from this for a minute.